Hi, in this video I am going to explain how we can use this website to create our own strategies using derivatives in Indian market. So I am going to start with one of the most popular traded index, that is Nifty. So I am going to select index over here. I am going to select Nifty and today is 21st of February. Let's say I want to value my strategy on 26th of February. So I have selected 26th of February. So I am selecting one of the call options to start with first. So I have selected call option. I am taking strike price of 61.50. Currently Nifty is trading at a price of 61.55. So I am buying a at the money call option. So price is 38.5. So let's say it's available to me in the market at a price of 40 rupees. I am buying one lot of it. I am going to click on my strategy button. So I can see my strategy would look something like this. So this says that I would be having a loss of around 2000 and after around 6190 I can expect some profit. So we can also try various other combinations like selling another call option. So what I can do is I can sell a call option at a strike price of 6200. I'm going to select a sell over here. I'm going to select one lot of it. I'm clicking on my strategy. So I can see I have taken a bull spread. So my strategy would look something like this. I can also try various other combinations like taking a futures and I want to short this futures. So I'm going to short this futures. Let's say I can short it in the market at a price of 61.60 and I'm going to short one lot of it. So how my strategy would look like? So my strategy would look something as shown below. So this is how my strategy would look like. So this is kind of bearish strategy. We can also try various other combinations like buying two lot of calls to overcome these kind of scenarios. Similarly, we can also try a different valuation date. Let's say I want to value it on 24th of February. So I'm going to click on my strategy. Valuation date is 24th of February. So I can see my portfolio value would be something like this. Let me remove this feature for better clarity. So I can see my strategy would look something like this. So this time it is not as sharper than as on the valuation date. We can also try with popular stocks. So let's say I'm trading starting with one of the most common stock, that is DLF. So I selected DLF. I'm selecting the valuation date as of 26th of February. So let's say I'm selling a call option at a strike price of 140. So I can sell it in the market at a price of around 3.95. Let's say number of lots is 1. So let's say I have some stock, or I can purchase some stock at a price of 400, at a price of 142.4, and I'm going to buy around 400 stocks, that is half of the lot size of DLF. So I'm going to click on my strategy button and I can see how my strategy would look like. So this is how my strategy would look like. So to overcome these scenarios, we can also try increasing number of stocks. So let's say I've increased number of stocks. So I'll see how my strategy would look like. So I can see that my strategy would look something like this, though my range has increased but other parameters have changed. Similarly, I can also try with various combination of expiry dates. So let's say I have selected another call option with expiry date of 27th of March. So I am selecting first the same strike price option, that is at 140, and expiration date is 27th of March. So I'm going to sell one lot of this call option and click on my strategy button. So I'm going to see my strategy would look something like this. This is a neutral calendar strategy. So similarly, we can create other combinations, like if we are expecting the market to go otherwise, it can go anyways, like at the time during elections. So we can take some other strategy like this one. So we are reversing the direction in this case, so we can see that if market can go in any direction with very high value, so we can select this kind of strategy. I hope this video would have helped you in understanding the functionality in this website. For more queries, please write to us at info@optionstrategy.co.in. Thank you.